Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Video Maker, AI Video Maker and the designs.ai website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the designs.ai website and then we have to create our account. And after account creation, you will be able to see the Video Maker here. So we have to open this. I'm going to open this in a new link. And after that, what we have to do, we have to follow the link here. So as you can see now the link is open here. If you want to check out the browse templates, you can also do that. As you can see the templates options are also provided here. If you want to use the text to video option that is also provided here, you have to enter the title. If you want to use your own media, you can also do that. You have these three options. For example, let's go to the browse template and you will be able to see the all types of templates here. You can use any kind of template if you want to use. As you can see, these templates are provided here and we are going to text to video option here. For example, we have to enter the title here. For example, I am going to enter the title. So as you can see, after entering the title, what we have to do, we have to provide the script here. We have to paste our script here. As you can see now, this is the random script which is written here. If you want to use this one, you can also do that. Set your text color. If you want to set your text color, you can also do that. And as you can see, pick and end screen option here. As you can see, the pick and like and share. And after that, this is the next option. So we have to click on the next option. And after that you will be able to create your video. As you can see now, we have to choose, for example, I'm going to choose this category here. Let's click on this. And now we have to choose the language and the select voiceover here. We have to choose both options here, language and the voiceover here. And after choosing, we have to click on the next. And after that, our video will be ready to use. So in this way, you can create your video using a designs.ai website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can create your video. So see you guys in the next video.